Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. So guys, in today's video we'll see one another way how to import resources from the cloud. So resources already there on cloud. Now we want to start manage that resource using Terraform. So in my previous video I told you Terraform import command in order to achieve the same. But in this video we'll use Terraform import block in order to get a resource that is already created on cloud and we'll get it managed using Terraform. So let's start our today's video. So as of now on cloud, I have just created a resource group. I'm just taking a very basic example because those who are new learners. So it is a very basic example, and if we know the basics, then we can do different other things also. But when we know the concept, we need to start with a basic example. So I have just started with a resource group. So this resource group is already created that I created manually, but now we want to create using it managed with Terraform. So how we'll do it? So firstly we'll go to Google and we'll search code related to resource group. So this is basically the code related to resource group. So we'll copy it and we'll paste it in our main.tf. So how to make all these connection with the Terraform to the cloud, everything I have explained in my previous videos. So you can refer those videos because if I'll again explain that thing in this video, so this video will become very long. So we are just importing the resources as of now. So the name and the location is the requirement. So if we go to our portal, so here we can see the name is test imp and the location is South India. So we'll change it accordingly. So it is test imp and the location is South India. Okay, so in this way we can create any resource group from Terraform to cloud, but resource is already there. So if we'll run a command firstly, that is Terraform init. So it will firstly initialize this configuration, and once that is done we'll take a plan. So in that plan what it will do, it will again try to get it create over the cloud, because this Terraform configuration don't know that this resource is already created on cloud. So what we'll do, we'll use an import block in order to make this particular resource that is already there on cloud. We'll manage it using this Terraform code. So let this initialization complete, then we'll do a plan. So give it a few seconds. Yeah, it is initialized successfully. So now we can run a command, that is Terraform plan. So it will try to create this resource, because as of now there is no state file. It is a temporary state file, but as of now you can see there is no state file. So this code is not able to get search in that state file whether that resource is there or not. So it is again try to create this particular resource on the cloud, but it is already there. So how we can import those resource? So in my previous video I have explained the import command, but this time we'll use import block. So once we'll write import, it will give us a block. It needs two component. One is to where we want to import the resource, and what is the ID of the resource that is already created on cloud. So in two, we can use the resource name here. So we can paste it, and with dot, we can call its local name. So this is done with the two, and ID is the ID of this resource group. So how we'll get that? We'll firstly go to cloud, we'll click on the resource group, and here there is an option of JSON view. We'll click on it. First one is resource ID. We'll copy it and then we'll place it here in double quotes. So this is now done. If again we'll take a plan, so let's see what it show now, because we are now importing a resource. So give it some seconds. So here you can see like it is saying 1 to import, 0 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. So it is now trying to import this particular resource to a state file. So once we'll apply, then this will get imported. So proof. Okay, so this is the command, that is Terraform apply -auto -approve. So now this resource is getting imported. So here we can see a message, apply complete, resource one imported. And now we can see there is one state file that already get generated with the help of this command. So this resource is now Terraform manage. So if we'll do any modification in this code now, so the same modification will get done to the cloud. So in this way, we can manage our resource using Terraform import block, and this is more professional than that of Terraform import command. So guys, in today's video, our main focus was to import a particular resource. So we have just seen the practical demo. So I hope you are now good with the import functionality. So guys, if you like this video, just give a like to the video and please also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.